Good morning, everyone. I'm Gaurav Bisaf from InCred Equities. Nifty had a positive start, and at one point it witnessed as if it looked as if it will see a very strong short covering rally, but that was short-lived, and Nifty was seen giving up its gains and entered into the red zone. Nevertheless, Nifty managed to close on a flattish note. Bank Nifty with 60-70 points gain at the end of trading session also closed flat. There was no leadership, whether in terms from performance of IT or banking or some other major sector, and that was one of the reason why Nifty could not sustain at high levels. Even when the US markets were positive and there was no other factor, the profit booking was just unexpected. With this, Nifty continues to see pressure at high levels. On the other hand, if you look at the 45 minutes chart or 1 hourly chart, Nifty witnessed small bullish divergence in both RSI as well as MACD. There was a bullish crossover in all the time frames. So intraday time frames, we have seen crossover sort of happening. And if Nifty sustains 24,500, probably we may head towards levels of 25,000, where strong call writing is also seen, and further upsides will depend on Nifty closing above these levels. But for now, I think Nifty is still stuck in the range. It's back between 24,500 and 25,000 mark. As I said multiple times in the past, when Nifty trades in a range, it's always prudent that you buy near the support of the range, which comes around 24,500. So any declines, any dip towards 24,500, 550 can be bought into, keeping stop loss of 100 points, playing for 24,000 mark. On the other hand, risk takers can buy Nifty uh, based on the bullish divergences that we have seen yesterday on intraday time frame, but not at the current levels. Any 50 60 points higher from the current level is when one can buy Nifty, keeping stop loss of again 100 points and playing for same targets of 25,000 mark. So one is a trade for risk takers, which one should be buying once Nifty sustains 60 70 points higher from the yesterday's close. Another for safe traders is a buy on dips towards 24,500. US markets yesterday closed on a flattish note. Major currencies, commodities closed on a flattish note. And apart from, of course, USD gold, not a very strong upside as such, but consistent move happening over there. Gift Nifty is pointing towards a flattish start, 6 points down as we speak. So, in all likelihood, we'll open a flat note. And today being monthly expiry, it will be interesting to see how Nifty pans out. If the expiry happens on a week basis, then we may see some more capitulation happening in the stock. So Nifty has fallen 4% from top, but if you look at the stocks, or similar is the case with mid cap and the broader market, mid cap and small cap. The indices have fallen 4%, but the stocks have fallen 10%, 15%. So that, as I said earlier, that's a positive sign also. That's a negative sign also. Positive in the sense that the market price is extreme oversold zone and a bounce back is expected. Negative, in absence of buying at high levels, we may not see a sustained upside happening. So at the critical supports, expect a bounce, and let us see for more confirmations for a prolonged up move. That will from my side. Thank you.
Investments in securities market are a subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.